Hi guys, welcome to How to Solve YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can curve text in Canva. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. First, you need to open Canva and then open your project. Now you can see that this is my project. I want to curve this text. First, you need to select this text. You can see this blue box around the text. Then you need to click on effects and here is the option of curve. So you can curve the text like this, and if you want to curve onto the upside you can curve like this. So this is the text. Okay, so you can curve text like this in Canva. And if you haven't joined Canva till now for your work, because this is a very awesome tool that you can use to design different thumbnails and different projects you can do graphic related. So there is a link in the description. You can click on that and join the Canva free. It is free, but there is also a paid version. You can join Canva Pro also if you want to enjoy some more features of the Canva. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.